If you are insured through Citizens Property Insurance in Florida, a major change heading your way, and if you don't act, you could be dropped.
Flood insurance will soon be mandatory for most Citizens policyholders. It's a rule that's rolling out in phases, but by 2027, nearly everyone will need it.
Yeah, this is something that affects more than 500,000 Citizens Property Insurance customers. And the message is simple. Get flood insurance or it's possible you could get dropped. The clock is ticking for Florida homeowners insured by Citizens. If you've got wind coverage to protect your investment in case of a hurricane, you're going to need flood insurance too. The deadline for some families is as early as January of next year, whether your home is in a flood zone or not.
It can be frustrating when obviously an insurance company tells you that you have to have something, but make sure you take a moment to ask yourself, is what they're telling me I have to have, despite my feelings toward this, would it still be a good idea for me to get it?
Brightway insurance agent Mike Carlucci Jr. says this new flood insurance rule will help protect citizens from being sued for flood damage they don't cover. Secondly, in his opinion, he thinks Citizens wants to reduce the number of customers they insure by requiring flood insurance. Some people may switch to private insurers who don't have this requirement and ultimately shrink Citizens' customer base. Still, Carlucci says flood insurance is a sound investment.
So we recommend everybody get it because we've just seen too many claims here in Florida, but also in other states where, interestingly enough, the majority of the flood claims were in non-flood zones.
The requirement is rolling out in phases based on your home's value. Homes valued at more than $600,000 by January 2024, $500,000 by 2025, $400,000 by 2026, and all homes must have flood insurance by January 1st, 2027. While some policyholders may be frustrated with the new rules, insurance experts say now is the time to get insured while there is no imminent threat.
So don't wait until you hear there's a potential of a hurricane heading to the United States and possibly Florida. It's too late. You cannot wait until the warnings or even the forecasts are telling you there might be a storm heading to Florida. You need to get ahead of it, and that's why we always recommend prepare now.
And another huge wave of policies could be leaving Citizens after this year's hurricane season. The Florida Office of Insurance Regulation yesterday issued orders that would allow 10 insurers to take up to 250,000 policies from Citizens come mid-December.